So this is the main view of the dashboard for OneDay Cloud. It contains a space where we can see our used applications. Those applications are either installed from our store or created from scratch, of course, with no code or low code. There's also a space allocated to show our data usages and resources available and used that the platform offers. Below, we can see some reports and analytics, AI analytics and reports that allow us to track the progress of our projects. Those are not only emerging from one of our applications, but they could come from several applications as well. Now, this is the store. It contains more than 30 applications in different work areas. We have ERP, e-commerce, accounts, invoices, etc. Those applications could be used as is, or could be utilized as a template that we can customize and tailor according to our needs. In case we could not find our specific need in the application store, then we can move to the application creation wizard, which allows us to easily create our application by simply adding application name, entering the names of some models and data fields, and the application would be ready. Also, the platform is able to deal with and detect Excel sheets. It can identify the data fields in an Excel file and the data inside, and create or assign those data fields to fields in the application itself and import the data as well. So this is the main view of the one of the applications. It contains the main modules up here, the data fields here as well. We can control how we view the data. We have tree view. We have Kanban if we want to deal with the data as if it's a ticketing system or calendar, etc. Also, we have a pivot table. The pivot table allows us to have an analytics view of any of our projects with unlimited levels of analytics. For example, for one of our projects, we can see the related tickets, the attendance log of the staff, etc. And now we can see here the main actions used to manipulate the data here, such as editing, copying, assigning an item to a certain user, printing, archiving, etc. Here we are here every application might need some reports. The applications in the store have their own ready-made report templates. It contains the data fields and the chart view. The chart view, we can also control how we see the data representation, whether it's bar chart, column, funnel, pie. If we would like to customize those reports, this could be easily done. We just enter here and edit and customize the data fields that would show on the report. Also, each application might require how we control the user or the user group access to the data. So we here can have a single user or a group of users control how they access the data. We can control how can they access, update, delete, review, and that's on the level of the page. It's a page, the module page itself, or on the model or the data field, single data field. So some users can see that data, some users couldn't. The same module. Here now we move to the Smart Designer. Here it's the environment on which we can design our application. We can select from a large array of data fields, covering string, number fields, data, email, video, date time, by just dragging and dropping to the container. And we also have the ability to customize each data field properties to make it, for example, read only, to make it mandatory, to make it unique, etc. By now, we have already, let's say, created the schema or the design of our application. We now move to the automation or the logic of the application. Here we have the automation engine. It all revolves around an event occurring. This event could be either like pressing a button or creating an item, updating an item, etc. So when this event takes place, what will happen? So in our example here, if we create a ticket in the system, what will happen? We could either delete, update, or execute an equation in the engine here. This, of course, is just a simple example, and the engine is able to do much, much more than that. Now, what we have discussed so far, let's say it's a content management system, or let's say the back end. In some cases, we need our, let's say, employees to have an access to a portal where they can order something from the cafeteria or apply for a monthly leave. Here comes the builder. The builder enables us to make a front-end application. This application gets its data from the platform itself, from the OneDay Cloud platform. You see here the test data. This is the source of the data for the front-end application we built. And this, of course, changing the data on the dashboard immediately reflects on the front-end application. At the same method, also, we can create a mobile application, which has the same mechanics of getting the data from the platform. Here we, of course, there is a full and detailed customization abilities. We can customize each element in this front-end application, like Creative Suite, CSS, sorry, and Illustrator. And we can then use or utilize the several choices from of templates readily available. The application, the platform also automatically creates a branch or repository that is automatically sent to our GitHub account if it's connected to the platform. We use this when we, let's say, face some limitations that requires us to add our own custom code. And this could be directly done on the platform here. As you see, we can directly edit, and the code will be synced to our GitHub account. And then we could also use it on the platform here. The platform also offers different types of integration. For example, if we need if the user wants to send an SMS, an email, or have has an e-commerce shop that requires payment solutions, we have e-payment as well. And in case the integration that we need is not readily available, we have an integration manager. You can simply enter the API key and the credentials, and will automatically sync. Now we move to the learning environment. What the platform offers for the user to learn and experience and have good experience. It's OneDay Academy. This academy contains, it covers all the aspects of the platform, learning the dashboard from A to Z, also some courses for the developers, the apps, and workshops. Those are like small videos that are easily digestible and understandable. Both it's available in Arabic and English, and so it allows the user, to fully understand the platform and deal with it. In addition to that, we have full API documentation if you want to connect our front-end application from somewhere else to the platform. That allows us to easily access and manipulate the data. So this has been the demo. You are most welcome if you have any questions.